Okay, we have our head here. We've sanded it down. We've touched up the spots that need to be touched up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to paint our head. And we're going to use a white for our base. This is just an acrylic white craft paint. So we're going to paint the entire head with this, let it dry, put on a second coat, then we'll be able to start adding our color. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So we'll do the entire head, let it dry, then we'll do a second coat. Thanks for watching.